insurance or something?
Nah, you good, bro. I'm not even tripping today, man. Yeah, it's that one was supposed to be in Livonia, man. That one was way in Port Barrett, bro.
Oh man, that's a long way.
And then the crazy part is, it wouldn't have been so bad. I'm asking her the whole way. She already disgruntled. So I'm asking, like, did you pass this? Did you pass Billy's Boudin? Did you cross over the bridge? No, I haven't crossed over none of that. I'm right outside of Livonia. You way in Port Barrett.
Man, that's crazy. What was wrong?
She needed a tire change.
Good black lady, white lady?
Black lady. Hard up arguing with me. I'm not outside of Livonia. I don't know how you passed me. How you passed me? You need to turn around. I said, ma'am, I never passed nobody on side the road yet with their hazards on. Nobody.
She was on the highway or?
Yeah, on 190.
Oh man.
All the way in Port Barrett, bro. I would have been here, man.
Yeah. She must never really go out that way, I guess.
She said she's from Opelousas.
How did, that's right in Port Barrett right next to Damn.
Yeah, so that's how my evening been going, bro.
How y'all work at like 24, like on call or just like shift work?
Nah, I'm open 24 hours on the weekend. My helper, his baby mama just went into labor, so
Yeah.
I ain't got no help. It's just me tonight.
So how you get rest then?
Huh?
On the weekend, you say y'all open 24/7.
I get rest when I can, dog. I get rest when I can, bro. So I close my eyes and